I've enslaved a man. I force him to eat dog food, and he has to live in here. His name is Rich. I force him to sand the fiberglass on my boat every day. He came with a dog. Yeah, now that's moving along. And yeah, that's down to bare glass. That's good. That's just what I need there. I totally cannot thank you enough for all the work you've done on this.
Thank you for having me.
That peeler thing is working real good on the tape over there. My only problem is I can only hold it up for so long.
Yeah. Get the work performance here.
Huh?
I can get the work performance here. Job supervisor.
Oh, yeah. Has to inspect everything.
Hey, come here for a minute. Remember I told you about that crack that was growing up with? That way that was just in... That's similar.
Is that a crack or a scratch?
It's not a scratch. What would scratch it?
When I look at it this way, I see a whole bunch of them, and they're very shiny.
Yeah, but that's because when this buckles up...
Oh, okay, yeah, these are different from that.
They're like splinter little pieces of pinchers.
Some of the big, yeah.
But that's something like that's what I was talking about.
I think there's one here too, and a little bit there. These might have been when we set it down just this last time.
Definitely when you set it down, it's just... If it's sitting so long under pressure...
Well, I mean, the damage from before was back there. I mean, this is from setting it down on here just the other day. I mean, it's right fucking here, right?
It's possible. No telling. Here, I'll grind it down. I just want to show you.
Yeah, I mean, that was the next thing I was going to say. Well, just grind down a little bit further and hope it's only in the gel coat.
Yeah, it's not. What's it looking like?
Yeah, it looks like there was a shitload of Bondo that was put over some stuff that was never sanded. So it never made a good bond, and it's just fucking falling off.
I'm guessing it's soaked from the rainwater.
What?
Rainwater. We got it.
In here?
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. There was that spot where it got hit by the truck, and then somebody started to repair it with a grinder and just ground away and then never put anything over the top. Well, I'll start a repair.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get some entertainment out of that kind of shit on this boat, because that's all it has to offer.
I bet you've got some stories.
We're finding some of them. Oh yeah. So that crack, that was just in the gel coat, right? Okay. Dodged another bullet on that one. Yeah. I don't know if it's a scratch or another one of those things. But
I don't think somebody took a grinder to it at one time.
just assume that they're fucking everywhere.
Yeah. No, I'm not even mess with them because there's nothing there.
Well, let's see. So the bottom paint is going to cover this, right?
No. Right up to about here. It says, right in this area here.
Oh, okay. So this will be a little bit above the paint. Oh, fuck it. Nobody's going to see it under here anyway. Once the boat goes in the water, I don't think it's going to come out again. It's going to float around until it goes right on down. I think that's the plan.
To become somebody else's next victim. I don't know, man. I think she's having fun right now.
Hmm?
Getting all this facelift.
Well, it's definitely different. It's a whole lot better than when it showed up here.
Yeah.
Damn it, you're gonna have me proud of this boat yet. And that was the one thing I didn't want.
Yeah.
You want to use this for some of that?
No, no way.
So it's quick.
Too quick. Just so you know, I tried to do this diplomatically. Now I'm going to have to sneak in when you're not here and do it. I'm going to get in and out before you come back. Thank you for everything.
Yeah. Thank you. I mean, you see the rate that I go. I'd be here next year still if it wasn't for the help you gave me. And yeah, I'll see. I mean, in the next couple days, I can maybe get the sugar scoops done, and then you can paint.
Yeah,
I know you've been looking forward to that.
Yeah.
I didn't want to take that away from you because I know you pay. The day that you just throw the paint on and everything looks beautiful, you pay for that with like weeks of prep.
Yeah.
So yeah,
90% of the paint job's predatory.
I wasn't going to take the good part away from you, but
You didn't want to rob me from that one?
yeah, you'll have to take a break until then. But I think this one, I'll throw some bearing compound on it now. And I mean,
They did have that.
by end
They
of
did
day,
have that fucking right here like that, didn't it?
you know, I didn't find it.
Did I cut it down or?
There's one on the inside
Yeah.
here, and yeah, you did sand that to a bevel on each side.
Yeah.
And I guess those are only in between the pontoons. Now there's a little bit of that here. I don't know if someone just ferried it in so that you don't see it, you didn't see it. Maybe we went right over the top
Yeah,
and didn't see it there.
You can see the nipple. The nipple.
Yeah.
All right, I'm out of here. Thank you.
Okay, yep. Thank you.
Sure.